O te moa I whatalo whātu le paia ma le mamalu. Wa o whanga poto mai le nei afiafi. Ai mua na o whātu lou, I le sunga le whawhiangainga, sunga Reverend Siosi Salsulu. A fionga Minister al Kapeneta, whapea sui mamalo le Palemene o Samoa. A fio le paia lasilasi o tupu mai whapea wo ma paanga, ale fale tupe o le Pasifika I saute, Samoa nei. O tau paia, ma mamalu, I tawhai fia o le soifuanga. O le anu nua tuia whatine o tau sala. Ai le nei tu la, o lea se I moli atu se whamatalanga, ale tātou malo. E tu sāi o aunga o aute, ma le ausia mai ai e le whaletupe o le Pasifika, o le Bank of South Pacific, le valo o tau sanga, o tau tuai Samoa ma on tangata. Excellencies, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, it gives me great pleasure as the Minister of Finance to express a few words on behalf of the government of Samoa and the people of Samoa at this auspicious event that celebrates B.S.P's 8 years of service and contribution to Samoa and her people. I also wish to acknowledge the presence of B.S.P Samoa's Chairman, Pia Ailetoa, Pepe Christian Fruen, and directors, as well as our very own Taituunga Marianne Lamekova'ai, B.S.P Financial Group, our limited general manager for the regional businesses that includes Samoa. Since B.S.P entrance into the Samoa market in July 2015, B.S.P has grown to be the largest bank serving the people of Samoa in banking services, provided employment opportunities for our local people, and contributed significantly to the development of our country through supporting our private households, businesses, communities, our government, and our economy through its various investments, financial and taxes paid. B.S.P is well recognized for its focus on the community and its funded projects, not just in Samoa, but the Pacific, which has benefited many families and communities. We are grateful to corporates and organizations such as B.S.P for filling in these crucial opportunities, providing a pathway for many individuals, families, and communities. B.S.P has certainly made a positive impact in our Samoan community, and a true measure of that impact is by virtue of the testimonies of our people and B.S.P's visibility and engagement with the community at large. We are also grateful to B.S.P for harnessing our local talent into leadership roles, for not just here in Samoa, but in the region. On behalf of the government and the people of Samoa, we congratulate B.S.P, its shareholders, board of directors, management, staff, and customers for reaching 8 years of incredible service to Samoa and her people. We wish you all well as you continue to serve our people here in Samoa through the delivery of value-adding financial services. Ia anga lelei mai le atua, ma whamanuia le mamalo le au balaulia, le komiti whaatonu, whapea le pūlenga ma le au whaingaluenga o ma le tātou whatu pel Pasifika I saute, whapetai manuia le fiafi.